Nigerian immigration don't suspend new applications for international passports nationwide. As soon as they hear am, na so the thing reach me. And according to Mohammed Babandede, the the Controller General of Immigration, he said the process of receiving and processing all fresh passports nationwide is suspended until June 1st. This very year, and all payments, if you know say you dey for any payment portal, you dey work for that side, in case you don't know, they have closed all of them till June 1st. And they thought say the task force, they go send task force to all offices to clear all the backlogs. In other words, in case you don't know or you don't understand, there is no paper on ground for passports. There is no booklet for passports. Yes, so as soon as they hear am, while I know plenty like this. Imagine a whole Nigeria. These people, they make me laugh. A whole Nigeria, no leaflet. For over many months now, because I know since when people don't they complain, but as they complain, all my mind be say, na normal process. These people they sabi delay. I don't know say na like this the thing don't. Na this level it don't enter ordinary paper. I beg, what is the use of Nigeria? What be the use of Nigeria to its citizens? I need answer because I know can't understand now. These people they think say they wise. Una think say una wise. Una no say me. If I don't come sit down like his pelebe, you know say na wisdom they come. Wisdom won't kill me. Sickness don't fit kill me. Wisdom. But my people, guess what? I have come to tell you people the reason. These people they try stop a lot of people from traveling out. Why? They have noticed that many people now they run. Sorry for their life because this country not seeing how it's working. You understand? So everybody now they find way to come out. No, how many of you now remember even Buhari been talking before? All the Nigeria citizens where they outside, when they start they come back, the country is working perfectly well. They don't want make una come out again. Now why they don't bring this one now? You know how many people don't they complain about this passport matter? You know how many people they look for passport matter? You know how many people they try to renew passport? You think say because you just talk to one or two, you think say now only two people get up this? They plenty. Make I tell you now, no allow anybody deceive you now. No allow them reset on our brain. They are papers. They are leaflets. They are booklets. Anyhow way they use color, no allow them format on our brain. No. Maybe when they deceive you now, too go just say and they will just wait now. They will just wait. They think say they are smart. Last, everybody go do all right. We go use water they travel. Hello, yes, we go use water they travel. Europe by air, Europe by water. Yeah, come. We go enter. Una think say una go tie us for this country. We go just see that. See, make I tell you something. I know this. I don't want anybody take risk of traveling. No, get me wrong. In as much as say, and they don't say yes, we go travel. If you know say no be your plan, you know say financially, you know they stable. Hello, just sit down for one side. And they talk about people where they know. And not be the one where you go travel now. You go, they go there when you reach that side. You call they call us for help me. Not that one. No, travel with sense. Strategize, plan, your pocket go they balance, everything okay. This one they won't call a type person. They don't notice how many people they jackpot. So they don't want anybody jackpot again, they won't keep us. How people no go? Why won't people leave Nigeria? May they tell me why people no go leave Nigeria? With all the plenty jaga way there everywhere. We see the struggle with unknown government. Government we will never know. Up till today, unknown. We see the struggle with that one. Boko Haram, they with the struggle. Terrorists, bandits, this band, all of them with the struggle with them. And they expect, say, people will get chance to go outside. You know, go. What be juju be that? Una don't send all una children come out. Now una they try tie people children down. Hey, Olamaje, e no go better for anybody wey no want our progress. Say amen, somebody. Yes. E no go better for anybody wey no want our progress. Their children don't go. Now we now go come dey here. No, now because now they sent us to this world to suffer. You know, see how we resemble sufferness. See, I no wan stress this matter. All my life, I never see government. We have had government, so we have had leaders, we have had politicians, we have had. I never see government wey dey as unserious as this one. All their plans na dead plans. All their strategies, dead strategies. Name it. No, just name it. Anything wey these people come up with, dead. Now, look at this one. They lie to us, no passports, no papers, no booklets, no leaflets. Dead plans. They never they come out, say, if they finish the talk, we go clap, we go say yes. I have not seen. Every day na the same. Make una better find the booklets, abi leaflets, abi papers. I don't know what they call it. Find them more. We no wan hear all this one because you see this travel. We have travel finish. If not, send una children back. So that all of us go know say yes. But anyway, they come out, they tell us, if you are outside Nigeria, come back. Your fellow cabinet members, I'll be waiting. Why you not tell them when they send their children back? You yourself as the president, your family they outside. You they tell people may they come back. Now this one are they wise. My fellow people, now in be this. What do you guys to say concerning this matter? I want to hear. So start the dropper for that comment section and make sure say you share this video so that people no go they deceived. Say there's no passport, there's no this one. Irony, there is passport. Share them. Everybody know say they try they stop us from traveling. Very, very important. And click on that notification bell too so that you no go miss anything I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story. Viral video of two young guys they spray money on top pastor for church. Now the matter where they try settle now and they tell me say na select church. I bet when you now watch the video now go specify whether na select or whether na wetin they call that one cherubim abi wetin. I don't know, but anyhow as soon as say I wanna go tell me. Meanwhile, make I tell now all the things will go down. I don't think this thing well. And I started thinking, I say, which other place to settle this thing? If no be here with una my people. If una see how these two guys they spray money. The money full basket. It started fall. Overflow. Inside church. And choir they sing. No problem. That choir, I will come back to them. First of all, I want make una see wetin I see. We bring me come outside. Put the video ready and watch. Church no be church again, oh. Hey! Church. I don't know what I will even call this one, but this is not church. Una see the thing where I see. Abi una want make you put this thing again so that una go just drag this thing back. Go what until you begin to see what I am seeing. How pastor wait, like I dey try understand. How pastors go allow this kind behavior inside church? Please, I no talk say money no good. We need money in everything. But this kind, you don't understand. This praying, like I know how inside the church. So church now don't talk party center. Yes, because me, if you ask me personally, if I dey hear or I dey see flamboyant money spraying and spending, I dey think of party, I dey think of social events, I dey think of, you understand, that kind of paro. Which one can be church? I don't know where this word don't enter, but we need to turn back. Yes, so the destination where we dey find, not be the right way. Wetin dey happen to us? Oh yeah, even if everybody don't dey mad, even if everybody don't dey loser, pastor, now you even supposed call us back to order. Now you supposed call us back, put us align us with God. Omo, I don't know, but this one, e pass my power. Choir, even they sing. Abeg, when did all this become normal? When did all this become normal? Abeg, and I dey try understand. The way I go dey see all this thing, meaning say everybody don't turn yahoo. You no go believe am. Maybe they hard to understand, but everybody don't turn yahoo. Politicians, yahoo. Fraudsters, yahoo. EFCC, yahoo. Some pastors now don't even join yahoo. Bam. The only difference be say all of them get different departments. Everybody. How can you allow this inside a church service? Those boys, they go die if they just carry the money, put inside the offering basket. What is the need of all this? No, what is the need? Carry the money if it's too much. See, I don't know, but some people naturally they feed themselves, they like they show off. Carry account number and transfer your money. Must you come out and show? Now the reason why many people now they go commit suicide. Many people now they church, but be like say they know they church. Why? You go come outside, do this kind of thing one and just watch, and then person will sit down for the congregation. Now go come they feel say, when I go get this kind of money, now why pastor know they call me? And many pastors now I go talk and feel like make it pay you. Many pastors now for some churches, some pastors, I'm not to say all the pastors because we still get the real ones. Many pastors now for some churches now they call people according to what they give. They put people when they sit down for front according to what they give. I don't go call name. They even tell me this one. They say person enter church. The person go early. Service never start. Now so the person go sit down for front seat. They wait. Now so usher come meet the person, tell her say, bros, I bet you cannot sit here. Say, That's those seats, they are reserved for those people that pay in dollars, for those people that give heavy hair. You understand? See what we the cost for this society. Gone are the days where church, even if you tie wrapper. Even if your rapper don't fade, you feel still enter church, they go treat you the same way, they go love you, but nowadays, no. They select. If they carry that money as one, put that inside the offering basket, we did die, and they ask. Many people don't get reference again for God. Many people, they don't lose them. And I don't blame them. My problem are the pastor. Shame on all of you now. We know that stuff. And some pastors know they see any problem with that. What will be the meaning of this? No reference for God. Everybody just they do as they like. I know that's what see. Make una dey wise enough. They know they pick wisdom for ground. They know they pick her. Dey wise enough to know where you dey go worship. No be everywhere wey you see sign of the cross or Bible you just say yes, this is my church. Abeg, be wise. Go to where they are teaching you the word. That word, you understand? The word dey very, very important, and the truth. No go to church because they go praise you. No go to a place where even when they tell you the truth, even if they pay, they go tell you. That day, that last day, anyhow, they say now God go judge. But just imagine how God they watch us as He sit down there. Sometimes He go they laugh, sometimes He go they cry, sometimes. But this our God is patient enough. Because if na me be God, just I don't eliminate everybody. Make everybody just get out. But I no be God, so wetin I go do? Last na to sit down here tell una the matter, then go sleep. As simple as that. So I beg, make the comment start the row for that comment section, and make sure you share this video, because everybody need to know what is happening. A lot has changed, and we need to wake up and click on that notification bell so that you no go miss anything wey I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.